Following up with leads can take a lot of time, but with GoHighLevel you can automate the entire process and never miss a single opportunity. In this video, I will show you how to automate your lead follow-up step by step so your system can keep talking to your lead while you are sleeping. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the link in the description for the 30 days free trial link for GoHighLevel and for the live bootcamp access and for some exclusive bonuses. Okay, so let's get started with the main video. First of all, you have to open the GoHighLevel account, and from the dashboard on the left panel you can see there is option for automation. Just go to automation. So I'm in the automation already, so you can see there are some template if you have already imported. So here just click on this create workflow and go with start from scratch. Basically we will use the workflow to send automatic follow-up message. So this was the first step. The second step is adding a trigger. Now just simply click on this add a new trigger. This will lets you to create or set the trigger point, and this tells GoHighLevel when to start the automation. So you can choose any triggers from this, like submitting a form, an appointment booking, pipeline stage change, or tag added, so this kind of. But for this tutorial I will go with the form submitted. Okay, so this one, form submitted. So if someone fills out your contact in this form, that will start the follow-up and the automation. Okay, so here just click on this save trigger and you can see this trigger is saved. Now step 3 is adding the follow-up message. So for that, just click on this plus icon here, this little plus icon, to add an action. Now here just choose the send email or send SMS for the automatic follow-up. I will go with the email. Okay, this one, the send email. So you can change the name, first email, then choose the from email address, like your email address. So this one, our official email for our business. Then you can change the subject line. So I'm keeping as it is, welcome to Easy Access Tech, and no, we are not going to use any template. So here just write your email. So for this tutorial I'm just going to write with AI, so it will casual. And so for this tutorial I have created this mail, and after completing this just simply click on this save action. So our first action is already have done. If you want to add or if you want to send a text message, you can also do that by clicking on this little plus icon or this plus icon here. So after the first message just click the plus letter icon here, and let's say I want to add a wait for the next email. So I want to add the time delay for the like 3 hours, so you can set that. Now okay, we are not going to do advance. Now just save this action. Okay, so basically then you can add another action here. So you can repeat this for 2-3 follow-up spaced a few days apart. So this keeps your lead warm and increase your chances of getting a reply. Now step 5 is just adding a stop condition. So to make it smart, you can add a condition that stops the workflow if the lead replies or books the appointment. This is the way your attention does not keep messaging people who already responded. To do that, just simply click on this little plus icon here and search for if or else. So you can see this is the option, if and else. So select this. Now here you can make the condition or set the condition, just give it a name. I'm just keeping as it is. Okay, so I'm also keeping as it is. So here you can set the condition, like what you want you can add. So after that just let's save this. Okay, so now you have created your workflow. Now let's test, or just simply click on this save to save this workflow. So once you save or publish this, you can test it by using your own contact details or make sure the messages are working properly. So basically this is how you can automate your lead follow-up in GoHighLevel, and in this time your system can follow up with every new lead automatically and saving you time and helping you to close more deals. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.